How to link this Steam account on your Discord. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Now, once inside the Discord app, all you have to do is simply tap on the U option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. There, simply tap on the gear icon or settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the connections option available there. Inside connections, you'll get to see various options available there. From there, tap on this Steam logo. Now you will be navigated to the new window where you'll have to enter your Steam username and password and complete any Steam card verification if it is enabled. Then click sign in and allow Discord to connect to your Steam account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.